Direct replacement. This door seal is designed to match the fit and function of the original seal on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This seal is made to fit and fully restore part functionality after the original seal fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This door seal is designed to match the fit and function of the original seal on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Couldn't be happier. It's nice to be able to ride without hearing wind noise. It's so much quieter now. Just like others have said, it is a little long. But better too long than too short. I don't have the trouble closing my doors that others say they have. I am definitely glad I made this purchase.